If you are looking for a way to warm up your complexion now that fall, winter is here, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to use bronzer to warm up your complexion. So actually what I'm going to show you first is this color here is Bella Bronzer. So I'm going to apply that first and show you how it warms up your complexion. But then I'm going to show you how I like to use these three colors. Yeah, these three. This is Muse Highlight, this is Icon Highlight, and this is Bella Bronzer, all by Saint Beauty. And I'm going to show you how I just mix them all together and put them on my face. But I'll do Bella on its own first for those of you that have Bella already, so you can see the difference. I just like the combination of the three because I am so fair-skinned. Like if you look at my neck, it's pretty light. My hands are pretty light. And it just gives you this really pretty warm look. I already have my highlight and my contour on. I'm going to add bronzer to show you the difference. So I'll do Bella first, okay? So I'm gonna dip into this color right here, and I'm going to use the hack brush, the 30-second hack brush. I think it's just called the hack brush now. Using the fatter end, the thicker end, I'm gonna start on my forehead, okay? And I'm just gonna dab it on there to warm things up. I'm not, and you don't have to be afraid of how much you put on. It's not orange. This bronzer is not orange at all. It just gives you a beautiful warmth. So I'm doing it on my forehead first, okay? And you can see how that already just warmed up my contour area. I merge it with my contour. A lot of people put it underneath. Some people just put it on the sides. It just really depends on where you like it. You're supposed to put it on the areas of your face that the sun would normally, people say burn, but I don't like burn because I don't go in the sun to get burned. Where you would be sun-kissed, let's say it that way. Okay, so right here on the sides, okay, you see how that's already warmer? Put some on the tip of my nose. I'm gonna go warm up this white area of my neck. You can bring it all the way down your chest. See that? That's Bella on its own. And that's me not being too aggressive with it. Normally I'm super aggressive with it, but because I'm gonna add the other two colors, I don't wanna go too crazy and have you think, whoa, that's way too dark for me. And you can be as light or as dark as you would like, but see how I already look healthier, glowier, not as pale, okay? Like I said, I'm really light skinned, and I know when you tend to be more light skinned, you feel like, oh, I'm always so, we want sun, okay? We wanna look like we have a tan or like we have some color. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swipe across these two colors. Since I already used Bella, normally I would just swipe across three, but because I wanted you to see how pretty Bella is on its own. But I'm gonna take the smaller end of the blush and bronzer brush, and I'm just tapping into both of them. Now this is going to be a little more dramatic for those of you that like that look, okay? Make sure you get it up into your hairline so that there's not like a white line there. My hair itself is getting in the way, so let me get it out of the way. Okay, so let me go back over here. All right, I'm not done because I like to put it on my nose where I contoured, get the tip of my nose, and see, you can just blend away if it gets where I like to add it here on my jaw contour. My earring's in the way. And then bring it down, okay? Add some color down here because you don't want your neck and your face to be two totally different colors. Okay? And there you go. So now I look like I've been out in the sun, like I got some color. So if you want more information or you're interested in the bronzers, either just Bella or the combo, send me a message. And I'll include the link for you to order. This is something you do not need to be color matched for. I'll put the colors and everything in the description of the video so that you know exactly what to get. Have a good day.